Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, remember I had promised ukuthi ngisazokhuluma ngokuthi how did we get where we are now kuze kuvalwe ecourt quickly before time when Urathana was coming up with stories zokuthi naye is being targeted, is gonna be unalived. Angazi manje bese qhamuka blog because I thought it was omnisi nabantu bagwabini plotting, which was also not true, plotting on them nomkhane ukuthi they're going to be unalived. And then the next thing, manje sekurasa. I'm just like, guys, like we done. And all of them, they have safety kusho uratha. That court in J is like most of the people there are a bunch of lunatics basically. So nimzwileke uSifiso Meyiwa on a video before this one where he was saying ukuthi Brigadier Gininda and his entourage bese nqana nje ubale uyini oratha and all of them, they will reap what they sowed. Uzovuna ukutshalile uma utshala ama-vegetables you can't be getting apples, like honestly. Mawukade nje utshale ubanana uzothola ubanana. Hayi shame usazobhadala uGininda and he thinks asiboni and say we are just like shame. Uzobhadala ngiyakaza khole uyothi what happened, you know, uzomangala. And it's crazy how abantu bakhona they start to freak out and then mayimangazi. I'm just like, kanjani when you brought this to yourself? You brought it to yourself. So what must happen now? It's time to pay. So ngisazo explain again also ke le nto ukuthi ke all accused, like I had said, all 5 of them sebesehoshe mampuru nokuthi bafika kanjani lapho nokuthi babenziwa izinto. Before that whole drama that you see there in court, that was created. That was a distraction for us ukuthi sikhohlwe ukugwabini ukuthi utheni, sikhumbula kahle ukuthi utheni ugwabini, sikhumbula kahle ukuthi uAbsalom ubaba kaZungu utheni kuthini, all that hogwash that they brought to uZungu and the statement that Brigadier Gininda made esamanga ukuthi ubaba wabantu uthe ubazi kahle bonke accused by igebengu, especially the first 2, accused number 1 and 2, Muzika Khulilasibi accused number 1 and then Nuntanzi accused number 2 uBongani Ntanzi. Guys, please, siyazi kahle into eyenzakalayo uthini, sibona kahle ukuthi amangala. And I'm just like the government, everybody who Gininda's bosses, including Shedrack Joseph Asibi, bayabukela nje this whole thing, this crap that's going on there in that court. No, it needs to be corrected with Madlanga Masvula. No mi kanjani, guys.
Guys, you might remember ukuthi who accused number 4 more especially has a sister. Just like I said, I haven't seen the sister. Wavula channel called Voice of the Voiceless. She's also been on SA Aftertainment for with Ubongani for an interview type of thing, you know, ekhuluma nje ngo-accused ukuthi these people didn't do anything. All 5 of them, you know, they didn't really unalive Senzo. They are there because of Gininda's ways. Gininda put them there for his own reasons. But now I haven't seen her at some stage. She also used to say, there's a white Golf. The same white Golf that Umgomezulu said he saw outside his house. After he said long way short Senzo. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse or like a clue of what is going on with all accused, about 5, and where they're coming from. So this lady, Voice of the Voiceless, she stayed in Deep Kloof for quite some time. Sisiga accused number 4. She will say a call following her. She will change places because she is staying with Izinganesga accused number 4 Umapis. You understand? And Bapis Bam follower, Agazgutoba Nabam follower. And she was just very vocal about this case. Like I'm saying, I haven't seen her channel for quite some time now. I don't even think she's still on YouTube also. Asian Juice Bona, they lost their parents when they were very young. And she's taking care of Mapisazu, accused number 4's children. And Senzo Meyiwa case, just to help out. You know how it is with families. You will take care of your family's children, your brother's children or sister's children. She was just saying good the next. So why I'm actually bringing her up is because on Facebook there was a fight around again, because she was also trying to sort it out. Ngiyakhumbula ngo-2024 lento yokuthi there were donations that were given, especially Ntanzi's name came out there, or accused number 2. Bongani Ntanzi ukuthi khona ama-donations abaye banikezwe wona, like your toiletries, they will be given, or they will be sent money somewhere, and she will buy them, low sisters, low voice of the voiceless, and take them to prison. So now there was a lady who was going around opening a group, and who was in the same group as her, but she will open her own on Facebook and be like, "I donate something like me. I will do it." That's when these donation situations stop, because people didn't wanna have their names attached to such ubuqhophololo or type of thing. Ngoba manje kwasekhona abantu abayivulela ama-group, lo sisi lo wayesevulela yakhe group. So she was saying, please don't be donating money to that person. Angihlangene. So now it came back again, this thing of trying to donate money to all the accused. Bavele batho accused actually asisafune kwasalawo ama-donations, asifune next. But so kusho ukuthi bathi no, in fact soon i-state izosikhokhela some money, especially accused number 1. No, number 2, no, number 4. I see them acquitted, those 3 people. Cause ayikho into abayenza nakazi bambolelo senzo mina. Accused number 1, uGinda has created so many things ukuthi watholakala ne-ammunition, some DRUGS in his place kamalume laba behlala khona eThembisa. You know that story. It's like a broken record right now. Libo Bora, oh my gosh, that story. It's like, can you just give us something else? It's the same as how Umgomezulu used to go on and say, the gun that actually analyzed sense of me son to asumunye ngeke ubrigadier Bongani Kinenda naye uzosho kwakhe. Guys, like kuningi like this like you've never seen. Umgomezulu baze bahamba emhlabeni wanting to help the Mayuas get justice. Bahanjiswa. Basically, I don't even want to get to that. Guys, we get it to accused number 3 no number 5. Very especially 5 because he's serving 6 life sentences. He will never come out. That's why they use him for other ukusabe inkabi bamkhiphe ejele aphumele ngaphandle aqhubeke ngoba wakwenza lokho. He actually unalived people ababemfake for another case. Waphuma unalived them and then they took him back. I'm just like, no, uyathunywa naye is high ranking, high profile people, politicians, whoever is doing these guys. That is why ndaphinde him. Yena ke kwakulula. He was just like lo muntu wethu ke fact naye wayekhona kasenzo ume wangazi kanjani. Like kubona leyo nto le. So those that make believe stories kaGininda that he has even gaslighted us in trying to give us that version amanga ezobethi, oh no, you know, I don't understand why South Africans believe that theory that there were no intruders in their house. They were. I'm just like, awusijwayele mhlambe wena. Alo yana usijwayele and kuze kwaqale manje. It's beyond. They don't even know how to control him now. Even abanye abantu abaphethe SAPS, cause ujwayele uZenzo Lukininda, and Lukininda didn't start with Senzo Meyiwa's case. There's another case that I was reading about him. Ukininda is used to arresting people that didn't do anything. It's his thing. How he became a police officer, that person, and he mustn't finish his degree lelo ngobunamanga. Fanele aboshwe la muntu for defeating the ends of justice uye naNoratha ne entourage yakho baloi. Those people nje fanele babe sejele. I'm actually exhausted by leso story kwasasona nje siyangikhathaza. So I was still saying ke guys ukuthi ke iqale kimpi before nje ubona le drama uyibona ecourt sekuthiwa umnisi uyena umngani nabantu bakwabini, he's the one who's actually organizing a hit on Gininda and Mogano. Ninijikijikise ku Uratha, please nifuna ukungibulala ningangidubule ebusweni. Guys, all those things were a distraction. I said it before a video before this one ukuthi please nje sa distract kanti sihleli nje eqinisweni thina ukuthi all of them, those 5 accused, akazi nje bafika kwaSenzo Meyiwa guys. People are sitting there bephizela ama-Brussels fruits, wayephiza Brussels fruits uZandile Khumalo Gumedo. People must be arrested, all of them. Actually all the people that were in that house, so that they can tell us the truth. Like I said ukuthi bayositshela in 3 days bese jail okay Khumalo, cause ba ama snobs, they've never been in jail. They'll be like, oh my gosh, no, we can't be here in the please. This is who killed sense. So but no, but I have these people actually. They've been given too much airtime. That's how I put it. So Ekhosh Mampuru accused number 1 and 4. That's what I was getting. Ne? Accused number 1 and 4, Bafa solitary confinement. For what? No one knows. For good reason, no one knows. All 5 of them now, apparently, they are at Ekhosh Mampuru. In the Bayakon was doing rounds on Facebook. And guys, it's so crazy how accused number 3 usasihlala solitary confinement, and kade kuthiwe i-solitary confinement is for people abangezwa. La muntu akezwa masubuka wena ngoba uyayihlalela, and kwathiwa akakhishwe lapho after efake uGininda about 3 years ago na efake uGininda. This kwathiwa no, kufanele ukuthi akhishwe lowo muntu ahlale nabanye abantu. Usalapho they went again now to raid all of them, their cells, and then bamthole ehlalele yedwa vele. There's nothing that you can find there, right? In another raid, Emoda B, where there was accused number 4, bathola ama-cell phone phansi awu-4 when they were raiding, and then bahlala nje nabantu nje abaningi, but they decided to single out number 4, bamthatha bahambe naye bathi bazwa naye Ekhoshi Mampuru. Why, guys? And then immediately after that, sekhona this crazy thing that was happening, that drama that was happening in court yokuthi abangani baGwabini bayigebengu, they must be arrested. I saw that, yeah, they must be arrested. Or that they know something every time, guys. They create these stories together with talking in that. These people, I really believe, guys, they have meetings. And then accused number 3 apparently again bathola njoba ehlala vele selene yiwani Ekhoshi Mampuru as Pekininda's instruction, but kwathiwa akangabe sahlala na yedwa in a solitary confinement until azagwetshwe. Anga-understand ukuthi he's still not convicted, but umhlalisa in a solitary confinement kanjani. This thing has been spoken about in court so many times, guys, but it has never been corrected to accuse number 3 angahlali in solitary confinement. Uyabona ukuthi it's unfair. So lama raids ke aqhubeke kanjalo ku-accuse number 4 kwaba umuntu ongathi uzohanjiswa Ekhoshi Mampuru ke naye ke. Kubo bonke abantu abawu-4 ama-cellphone ephansi uzosekaba leyo cellphone, but you choosing ukuthi u-accuse number 4 it could be his their cellphone. So accuse number 3 ke yena ke in his solitary confinement bathola ama-USB awu-2 anama-movies and music. Vele uzotholani kwi-solitary confinement? For instance, ukuthi abo-Bester into etholayo bathi uvele uthole iy'ncwadi eziwu-100 ulala nazo uvuka nazo. Efundela vele lo muntu akanandaba. He's always trying to get out of jail, so he reads. Futhi manje sokube sebamnika ne-computer, i-laptop, and uwazi wabathatha wabayisa eConcord for that laptop. And then after they were done with accused number 4, baba busy no accused number 5. Vele ku-accused number 5 abamfuni. You know his story. We can't keep on repeating it. Ukuthi bafile ukuthi umgulukudu of note osebenzisana nabanye abantu and uyakwazi ukuphumela phandle and commit more crimes. Hayi bamthole naye bamshilizise bamshonsele. He's complained about it as well. You remember, even CMX people came to court bekhuluma into engazwakali. Those heads of CMX, they were talking there for correctional services besho ukuthi nje asazi ukuthi ukhulumana ethi listen etshela urathi ukuthi noma ngibuyela kodwa accuse number 5 ufisa ukuthi lento mangibuyela ngikwazi bazongishaya or bangenza izinto. I know them, bayangihlukumeza. So they always nje onto him, that person. That is why they came up with a story ke now, the drama ke ukuthi no, in fact Gwabini's people, they are plotting some assassination besebenzisana noMnisi. Guys, I was just like ngeke fanele siye looking needs to stop, guys. And mina for me uGininda has been entertained too much. That is why ngithi unikezwa a lot of airtime to play these ads zakhe. It's a lot, guys. As a kind, guys, me entertaining lo baba lo. I can't anymore. So yabona guys how other people abuse their power, guys. Yabona uGininda is that person again who has shown us ukuthi ayabuse of power, shame iyasetshenziswa la ngaphandle. So now there is that speculation ukuthi all the accused are now Ekhoshi Mampuru. bahlukunyezwa khona-ke manje until January-ke sizozwa-ke after-ke the whole thing of Gwabini's entourage, labantu bakhe laba ababefikile to support him, that court who were taken out to be questioned eTorata. Baboshiwe, ababoshwe. Hey guys. So soke sime lapho, we just wanted to see ukuthi i-drama that ended up in court kuthiwa umnisi utshela labantu ukuthi ababulale umuhano kanye nobrigadier yakhe indaba aqhamukaphi. That's how-ke it happened. Kwaqala nge-raid. Baqala vele babahlukumeze vele in prisons. Babenza izinto for no reason, eh? There's really no reason for those things. Kangaki labantu behlukunyezwa, especially accused number 5 and 3. Just now no 4 sebeyamfaka. And the 4 guys, everyone said, kodwa guys, ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu angabulala abantu. And even the sister has said it so many times, they must just leave my brother alone. Washiya ingane. And thina sayifela abazali long time ago. We've just been trying to live. Unless the state is funa ukumkhokhela accused number 1, 2, and 4. I just feel ukuthi they're gonna end up paying them. But that's not gonna happen, guys, unless we make noise. We have to make noise in 2026. And it's all Madlanga back on. Like I said, we don't even need Madlanga, we need ours. We don't even need the Zondo commissions inquiry, we need ours. So guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. Ngisaphinda ngisasho futhi ukuthi ngithi Merry Christmas for tomorrow. Enjoy this festive season nama families enu. This year hasn't been an easy year. Thank you guys. Ngithanda over. Thank you.